at college since 9 a.m. and I'm leaving at 4. Please मत करना होती है. We will be doing a review of everything that we got from Morton Bazaar. Strawberry toffee, crunchy Cheetos, flaming hot crunchy Cheetos, and then
Baby Cheetos.
and then brain blaster lollipop. What do you want? Do you want chips first and then meetha?
Yeah. Anything works for me. I don't have a taste palette. I'm someone who will eat chawal, dal and brownie together.
We will try chips first.
Back in the days when I was in States, I remember having these and damn, it was so good. Yeah, I had to move out. Taka taka.
I don't know how taka tastes like, but this is pretty good.
Yeah, they're very desi, yaar. I don't know what I was expecting, but they're very desi.
नहीं, chips का texture अलग है.
Now you're just saying it for the sake of
नहीं,
it.
हाँ, सही में.
Okay, this was a very normal taste. Nothing like when I had cheese Cheetos imported वाले, I had a great time. I loved it because उस तरह का cheese flavor मैंने यहाँ नहीं खाया था. But this one feels very normal. Very
When we
good.
will try flaming hot crunchy Cheetos.
This is different.
It tastes like Shin ramen.
Yeah, very. There is a sour in it.
I prefer these over the other one. Oh my god, it's totally strawberry का taste. Smell ही छुआ ना.
Strawberry has aroma. Something very nice about it. I'm not a big fan of strawberry flavors, but
Then क्यों लिया?
this is good. अरे सुन तोले मेरी परी. यार ये लड़कियां ना यार बात ही नहीं कंप्लीट करने देती है यार. वो जो लड़की ना जो कहती है
लड़कों को बात करनी नहीं आती.
अरे कंप्लीट करने दो आप. बात हमें आती करनी. कुछ अलग नहीं है इसमें.
क्या ले लिया हमने? हे भगवान, इसको लॉलीपॉप पे डाल के ओ ये क्या हो गया? We got this lollipop called brain blasters drip and like lollipop. And मुझे भी लगा कि like थोड़ा lollipop में भी different होगी. It will be cool. You take this.
This is basically that.
You take this.
जो मुंह में स्पार्कल करते हैं that.
नहीं.
तो
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ये बस like gum type है. हे भगवान, ये gum type है. You pour it on here and then you have it with the lollipop. ये लेके आए हम.
basically lollipop की चटनी है इसके साथ.
Yeah.
I've been super clear about it. You or any other best friend, I've never been romantically close with them. ये चीज तो प्लीज डालना vlog में.
आलन में नहीं खुलने वाला.
ये डालना vlog में. ये मेरा फेवरेट पार्ट है इस vlog का. यार ये टिक तो रहा नहीं है फोन तुम्हारा.
इसमें भी मेरी गलती. क्यों ये नहीं फोन तुम्हारा? मैंने बोला उसे ना टिकने के लिए. क्या है ये लॉलीपॉप? क्या है ये? This is such an unappetizing color.
यार जिम में जाना है किस दिन.
बनने तो दो.
अच्छा.
बना है नहीं. जिम में जाना यार.
By the way guys, यहाँ पे एक 50,000 square feet का जिम खोल रहा है, which is apparently going to be biggest gym of Delhi, of India.
ये तो बाहर भी नहीं आएगा. You pour.
It's a liquid.
It's not even a liquid. तो jelly है भाई.
What the f have we bought?
I think उसको आप ना like.
कैसे?
Hi girl. Hi girl.
I am so hungry. मुझे खाना खाना है.
Background दिखाओ. मतलब fine. Let's focus here that our entire group is together after very long.
No one is doing the phone. Anxiety होती है.
कोई कर रहा है fourth year? Fourth year?
No, exactly. Smart people.
There is no point of doing fourth year. As all our teachers keep telling us also, please मत करना fourth year.
Thanks. I have food as well.
President यार, president यार, president यार. college. Like अभी 4-15 हो रहे हैं. And I don't think I've ever left later than this. But it was honestly so worth it. हमने 1 घंटा बैठ के बस गप्पे लड़ाई हैं. That's it. This is a very blue moon kind of a situation कि हम सब 5 के 5 same time पे free हुए हैं. It never happens because हमारा subjects different है, courses different है. तो it's very rare कि all 5 of us are free. But we managed to do that. And हम 1 घंटा बैठ के बस बात करिए. So it was very fun. I've been at college since 9 a.m. and I'm leaving at 4. So it was a lot and I'm very tired, not gonna lie. But yeah, worth it in every sense. Hi, good morning. I just woke up from my nap, which I was not planning to take, but I could not help myself and I slept for a good hour. It is 7:30. I had planned that I'm gonna rest for half an hour and then get to studying and all that by 6:30. But that half an hour turned into an hour very quickly. I think more than an hour and a half actually. I'm gonna make a coffee to power myself through the study session because I have a test tomorrow. So I'm gonna make some cold coffee actually, which I haven't made in a while. That always boosts up my energy. So test before I get to studying. I think I added too much water because it feels very watered down. It is very thin this time, which I don't know why, because I did froth my milk. I guess I should have done that more. Anyways, what I am going to be studying for is I had a test today for my general elective, which is business organization. And we had so much syllabus actually. I thought it would be a simple test. I didn't study for it. I couldn't find the time. Then I saw the syllabus and I was like, is this a test or an exam? So I'm gonna just read over the syllabus and just make short notes because it's not a very difficult subject. It's business organization. It's not anything difficult or something that I'm gonna have a hard time memorizing. I just need to go over it at least once, So, but before I get on to studying and everything, I feel like I have to clear the air on a misconception that a lot of you guys have here, that I'm always studying like I were a med student or something, which I'm not. I am just an economics student. So I'm just studying like here and there, honestly. And I know you guys enjoy my study vlogs a lot. I know that. But that's like the true picture of it all, of how much I study. I'm mostly just studying towards the end of the semester, which is when I have exam. I'm not studying a lot throughout the semester unless I have like tests or something, which also just depends on the semester as well, which subject I have in the semester. I've had super easy semesters where I did not really even need to study for the test, or I've had really hard semesters too where I've had to study for all of my tests. So it just depends semester to semester. And also I'm a BA program student, so I'm not even an economics honor student. If I were that, my course load would be so much bigger and heavier for sure. Then I would have to be studying like generally time to time. But right now it's quite at ease in comparison to an honor student doing economics. And I also don't want to just act out studying just for the sake of putting out a study vlog. Like, I know you guys love my study vlogs and I know that you request for them every time I put up a question stickers or something to ask like what videos you guys would want to see. Always there would be a study vlog request, but I think we need to dial back on that. And I'm not trying to disrespect anybody or try to imply that I'm not grateful for the request. Like, it's an honor to have somebody requesting me to watch something from me. Like, that is a great honor that I have been working towards, like towards building a community where people ask me what they want. They demand the type of videos they want to see. Honestly, a communicative and reactive community. But I am just genuinely not studying that much, so I can't give you the study vlogs or the quantity of study vlogs you might be needing. My frequency of self-studying is very variable, but I'm anyways gonna be out of college soon. So trust me, when I have my final exams this semester, since this is my last semester, so they will be my like final exams actually, I will shower you with study content. Trust me, I will. But after that, there's gonna be no exams. I have no plans of pursuing masters right out of college. I'm gonna be out in the corporate world actually. I'm gonna be in the 9 to 5 culture. And I really hope that you stick around to watch that, because studying is not my main niche at all. I do really enjoy studying as well. I won't deny that. Yes, the exams kind of throw me off the game, that I don't want to study for the exam, but I just in general love studying. I love study vlogs myself, so I've loved creating study vlogs also, but I don't want to fake study just for the sake of posting study vlogs just because they do well on my channel and just because majority of the people are here for that. I just want to document all of my life, and I really hope that you would be interested in that also. Now that that is out of the question and the air, we can get to studying, because I'm gonna basically procrastinate this as much as I can. Okay, I am done with my assignment. I just need to sort the sheets out. But our teacher texted us this a while ago, and now I'm like stuck in this gray area. Like, should I study for my test or not? I don't know. We'll find out tomorrow if we're gonna have the test or not. But like, why would you do that? Because मुझे तो जानना है ना, अगर हमारा test होगा या नहीं होगा, क्या होगा? I don't know. I did at least do my assignment though. I did see the message, but I still decided to work on my assignment at least, because there is some part of the assignment that is a part of our test syllabus also, if that makes sense. So I did kind of go over that, but अभी बाकी का syllabus रहता है, and I don't know if I want to go over the PDF and all that, because जब test था तब मैं नहीं पढ़ी, तो जब अब surety नहीं है कि test हो गया नहीं, तो मैं क्यों पढ़ूंगी? ये वही पहली बार खाया था, and actually last बार भी वही। You guys might have been seeing me in formal since the last 2 days, but please don't mind me. I'm at an event.
See, you look so nice. What is it?
But still, I don't like to go formal.
No preference for formal. No. But you look nice. Okay, now we're gonna try. Very hot.
Oh, yeah.
I saw. Delhi wale ho na. I love how oily it is. Try it. This is paneer. Yeah. The amount of chole that you're using is just not good.
Like more chole.
More chole.
I should take it more?
Yeah, more chole. I feel very fulfilled right now. Thanks, Ritu.